And I would say you don't just have to face the reality of unjust suffering and death in your life. Hell is actually participation in the process that led to the establishment of those countries.
Time is the most valuable thing you have. It is the one resource you can never get back. You can lose money and make it again. You can lose friends and meet new ones. You can lose opportunities and find others down the line. But the seconds that slip away, they are gone forever. Every tick of the clock is your life passing by, and most people throw it away like it means nothing. They waste it on endless scrolling, mindless entertainment, gossip, and comfort. They live like they are immortal, like they have 1,000 years ahead of them. But the truth is this: your time is running out, and every day you waste is a day closer to the end. Think about it. How many hours did you waste this week? Hours you will never see again. Hours that could have been used to build the body you want, to master a skill, to work on your dreams, to connect with people who actually matter. Instead, you let them slip through your fingers. And the cruelest part is this: time doesn't stop just because you are wasting it. The clock doesn't pause for your excuses. It keeps ticking, and if you don't get serious about your life, you will wake up one day, older, weaker, and filled with regret. Most people live as if tomorrow is guaranteed. They say, "I'll start tomorrow, I'll try next week, I'll begin when I feel ready." But tomorrow is not promised. Tomorrow may never come. All you truly have is this moment, right now. And what you do with it will decide who you become, what you achieve, and how you are remembered. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail is not talent, not luck, not intelligence. It is how they use their time. Successful people guard their time like treasure. They understand that every hour is an opportunity to grow, to advance, to push closer to their vision. They don't waste time on meaningless things. They don't waste time with meaningless people. They are ruthless with their schedule because they know life is short. And those who waste time, they drift. They procrastinate. They make excuses. And then they wonder why nothing changes. If you want to change your life, the first step is to stop wasting time. Cut out the distractions. Stop living in a digital fog where hours disappear into nothingness. Every notification, every meaningless scroll, every wasted night adds up. Think about how much progress you could make if you redirected all that wasted time into building yourself. You say you don't have time? That's a lie. You have the same 24 hours as every great person who came before you. The question is not whether you have time. The question is whether you are willing to use it. Do you want comfort or do you want greatness? Do you want entertainment or do you want success? You cannot have both. You must choose. The truth is, wasting time is easy. It is the default. That's why so many people do it. Discipline, focus, and consistency are hard, and that is why they are rare. That is why so few people reach their potential. But those who do, those who commit to using every hour wisely, those who treat each day like it is their last, they are the ones who win. Ask yourself this: if today were your last day on earth, would you waste it on distractions? Would you waste it on comfort? Or would you finally do the things you've been putting off? Would you finally chase that dream, start that business, write that book, train your body, live with purpose? You don't know how much time you have left. Stop acting like you do. When you waste time, you are not just wasting minutes. You are wasting life. You are wasting potential. You are wasting opportunities that will never come back. Every second you spend on meaningless things is a second stolen from your future. And one day, you will wish you had it back. You will beg for more time, and it won't be there. That is the tragedy of life. We realize the value of time only when it is too late. But you don't have to live like that. You can make a choice right now. You can decide to treat your time as sacred. You can decide to cut out the nonsense, to stop giving your energy to things that don't matter. You can decide to use your time to build the life you deserve. And it starts with simple actions. Wake up earlier. Stop hitting snooze. Plan your day with intention. Set goals and stick to them. Replace hours of scrolling with hours of learning. training, working. Turn wasted time into invested time. Understand this. Discipline is freedom. The more you discipline your time, the more freedom you will create in your future. Every hour you invest in your body, your mind, your skills, your craft will pay you back in opportunities, in success, in fulfillment. But every hour you waste will cost you. The choice is yours, and you are making it every single day. Stop saying, "I don't have time." Start admitting the truth. I wasted my time. And then do something about it. Because time is the currency of life, and you are spending it whether you realize it or not. The only question is, are you spending it wisely, or are you throwing it away? Look back at the last year of your life. What do you see? Did you grow? Did you progress? Did you move closer to your dreams? Or did you stay the same, stuck in the same cycle of procrastination and excuses? If nothing has changed, it's because you wasted your time. And if you keep wasting it, nothing will change next year either. You'll keep spinning in circles, watching others pass you by, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can change. You can become someone who values every minute. Someone who doesn't let time slip through their hands. Someone who wakes up with fire in their heart and purpose in their mind. That person is inside you, waiting to be unleashed. But you must decide. You must choose to stop wasting time and start building the life you deserve. Because in the end, your life is just a collection of moments. What you do with those moments will define you. Do you want to be remembered as someone who wasted their potential, who lived in comfort and regret? Or do you want to be remembered as someone who seized every day, who refused to waste a single second, who built something great with the time they were given? That choice is in your hands right now. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until you are old and filled with regret. Start now. Use your time. Build your future. Because time is running out whether you act or not. The difference is, if you act, you create a future worth living. If you waste it, you end up with nothing. The clock is ticking. What will you do?